Arthur C. Clarke, the famous science fiction writer, once said that any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. And it is this magic of technology that is nurtured and fostered at the IITs, world's premier educational institution. Their joint entrance examinations, popularly called the JEEs, are one of the toughest to score in. An estimated 3 lakh plus students take this examination every year, for an available of just 7,200 seats. The odds are terrible and the competition is fierce. But with the right attitude and training, impossible is nothing. And this is the core philosophy at Bansal Classes. Bansal Classes provides the ideal platform from which aspiring IITians can launch their career. Students train at their flagship study center at Kota, along with the 2 other centers at Jaipur and Ajmer. Together, these 3 centers churn out a remarkable number of young IITians. And it all began with just one student, Mr. V.K. Bansal. The man behind this edifying venture set up Bansal Classes in 1984 in the beautiful city of Kota, Rajasthan. What began as a coaching class from home quickly flourished into a world-class educational center. He paved the path for students aspiring to walk through the hallowed halls of IIT. Mr. Bansal became an aspiration to thousands, guiding them and mentoring them towards newer heights. Today, with a modern structure and state-of-the-art facilities, Bansal Classes enjoys an enviable reputation across the globe. The faculty is extremely proficient and highly ranked. They do not shy away from using modern teaching techniques and strategies, thus fostering a proactive student-teacher relationship. The administrative team at Bansals is another example of their positive approach towards education. The team overlooks all student affairs and strives to solve all student-related problems, especially during exam time. The IT department also complements this dynamism. They maintain all student records, prepare the exam results, and check them using electronic machines to ensure that students are best prepared for the examinations. In addition, each student's performance is scrutinized on a daily basis. However, getting an admission at Bansal Classes is another ballgame. A certain minimum percentage is required in physics, chemistry, and mathematics to be able to qualify for the selection test. The selection criteria is tough, and the lucky few make it in. The selected students can then opt for either of the following courses, depending upon their eligibility for the concerned course. The courses are Bullseye. Bullseye is the legendary 2-year course which the brightest minds compete to get in. Bullseye is tough, precise, and systematic. ACME is another 2-year course for those who missed out on the coveted first batch of admissions. Nucleus is a 1-year course covering Class 12 PCM syllabus to target the IIT JEE. One can join Nucleus after Class 11th. Sterling is a 1-year course after Class 12 that offers focused guidance for IIT JEE, taught in a highly stimulating atmosphere. Azusa is an intensive 3-month comprehensive course to fill in any gaps in IIT JEE preparations. Locus is of 1 or 2-year duration, and it consists of tests by correspondence giving one practice in the areas that need concentration. Each course has a particular curriculum, designed especially on the JEE pattern. This curriculum is designed by a panel of eminent academics to give the students comprehensive study material. The Bansals are pioneers and visionaries. However, they constantly try to achieve perfection and impart the same values in their students. Therefore, they have developed the system of daily practice problems, popularly known as DPP. Before lecture, each student is given a DPP sheet with few questions. These questions are then solved by the students on their own, and the same are discussed in the class. Students can approach faculty members with their queries at doubt sessions. These are extra sessions and are in addition to the regular classes. Periodic review tests are also designed to assess the performance of an individual on a regular basis. These tests help students to familiarize themselves with the kind of questions they are likely to face at the JEE. Optical mark reader scanning method is used for evaluating the answer sheets for quick and accurate result processing. These results are then displayed on the Bansal Classes website to facilitate both the students and the parents. Students also have access to the well-stocked library that supplements their knowledge and studies. A state-of-the-art computer center provides them with an excellent learning environment. The campus cafeteria provides a cozy corner to the students where they can grab a bite and engage in constructive discussions. In addition, Bansal Classes also provides complete health care to all its students. Up until the year 1999, the students of Bansal Classes were repeatedly showing great results and making heavy inroads into the world of the IITs. But the moment of the glory arrived in the year 2000, when a Bansalite achieved the All India Numero Uno position.
This is the fourth time in the last 9 years that a Bansalite has secured the All India rank of number 1.
And the Bansals believe in lauding their heroes. All this honor and glory is equally corroborated by them. Annual award functions are held to honor the top students, and cash prizes are given to help augment their study costs. They say that fate is cruel. It is difficult to dream big. But it has been proven time and again that conviction often conveniences destiny to change its course. Bansal Classes has now become the perfect and ideal destination for all IIT aspirants. Be it their excellent teaching staff, the dedication of the students, or the commitment of the entire Bansal clan. Bansal Classes has maintained its numero uno position in this competitive world. Whenever one talks about the JEE, one talks about Bansal Classes. Bright beginnings, bright minds, and bright future. That's Bansal Classes. Bansal Classes. The future is us.